3D Printing Brute says, Mr. Who's the Boss? Samsung phones in his collections. Batteries are swelling and pushing the phone apart. I actually watched that video last night. Thank you for recommending it to me. It doesn't surprise me. One of the reasons why I don't really hold on to old technology is because technology wasn't necessarily designed to last. And that's not to say that some tech lasts longer than others. Certainly, it does. But there does seem to also be a trend, as illustrated by this initial video that Mr. Who's the Boss has produced, and apparently corroborated by other people that he reached out to, people who would be notable, recognizable certainly for people who watch tech videos in this space, also suggesting that some of their Samsung devices have also popped out. The only times I'm going to try to recall that I've had a swollen battery, one was in an older MacBook Pro. What happened was I couldn't figure out why my trackpad stopped working. It wasn't working. It wasn't pressing down. Took it to the store, and turns out it was the battery that was swelling. So they basically replaced the battery. It was fine. That was one time. This was years ago. I don't even think I got charged for it. This is so long ago. I couldn't even tell you when it happened. So that happened. And then I remember Diana held on to an old iPhone. It was the 3GS, I want to say. And, I was always careful about holding on to old tech even then because I knew this could very well be an issue. Man, talking about phones, my notifications are going off. So I remember seeing it, and it was in a box, dangerous, and the battery had swollen, and the back had come off. It was done. It was baked. It was toast. And so I'd even told her, long ago, I'm like, don't hold on to these old devices. When you're not using them anymore, they gotta go. I mean, for one reason, especially if it's a newer type of device, you could recoup the cost by selling it, right? Just get rid of it. Because unless you collect it, which I'm not gonna say it's a bad idea to collect that kind of tech, because there are people who do. I'm not going to begrudge them their interest as long as they don't, get mad at me for, collecting. By the way, I've never had a Star Wars figure explode on me. Ever. Apart from the ones that are meant to explode. But generally, I don't really trust the tech past a certain shelf life. So I don't hold on to a lot of my old gadgets. People ask, well, do you still have this? Do you still have that? I'm like, no, why would I? Why would I? It's old. And I don't really have a nostalgic, feeling for it. If I were to use a laptop that was, let's say, 10 years old, I couldn't use it. It'd be so slow. Back when it was new, maybe it was blazing fast, but it would be slow. There are technologies, however, that I have held on to. Been very careful about it. The Star Wars laptop I still have. HP had that Star Wars laptop they sent to me eons ago. I still have it. I just couldn't bring myself to get rid of it. I could not. So that is one piece of older tech that I do have. But even then, I've extracted the battery because I don't want there to be an issue, because these things have a shelf life. So it really surprised me to learn that some people genuinely collect these devices. I have no affinity for them, right? I just see them as, it's tech. It's a tool. It's not a toy. I'm not interested in the hardware. I'm interested in the software. So it's not my thing, so to speak. It's certainly something to be aware of. If this is a trend coming from Samsung, you might remember a few years ago, they had the issue with the exploding batteries, and I guess that's kind of been mitigated to a certain degree. Jerry Rigg he was in a brief part of Mr. Who's the Boss's video talking about how they may have mitigated that somewhat, over the years, but never potentially fixing the underlying problem. This is not just a Samsung problem, right? Like I said, the two issues I've had with battery swelling have both been Apple products. Both. And one of them was definitely a very well-used phone, and the other one was a used laptop. I mean, you've got these batteries that were not designed to last forever. And that, so the fact that most of the focus might have been on Samsung in Mr. Who's the Boss's video, I would strongly encourage you to not take this as an opportunity to just make the suggestion that it's only one company's problem. No. It's a technology thing. It's a limitation in our current use of technology. So don't question why I don't hold on to old technology. Don't. I will sell it. I'll give it away. I'll get rid of it. I just don't hold on to it. Don't want the stress. Don't need the strain. It's taking up space. I don't even hold on to old cables, let alone old devices. For that reason, I don't want to look at the old tech, apart from like the vintage tech that I might have grown up with. But even then, I don't even do that. Everything is in software and emulation, like the old Commodore VIC-20, C64, the fun stuff. I don't necessarily hold on to the older tech stuff, if only because of corrosion, or the potential for the products themselves just does not last. Hell, I currently have a problem with my arcade machine that I've had for years. I know that the VGA monitor needs to be fixed. The CRT needs to be fixed. I know I can't do it, no way. But trying to find someone who can fix this CRT monitor has been impossible. At least in the Seattle area, I can't find anybody who can help me repair it. And I'd pay for it. I'm like, I want to make sure it's fixed because it's something's shot. Like whether it's a capacitor that's blown or it's leaking something or whatever. I don't know what it is, but there's a problem. I need to get it fixed. And I know my limitations. And as much as I would love to just not chuck the arcade cabinet to the curb, it could be redeemed. I just need to find a way to get it repaired. So I do hold on to some of the stuff, but not all the stuff for these reasons. It's not something I generally collect if I'm not planning on using it, or if it doesn't have another kind of value on top of it, like Star Wars or retro games, whatever it happens to be. There's always going to be exceptions to the rule. So it really surprised me that people held on to old phones. It wasn't, what surprised me about the video wasn't that the batteries were expanding. Didn't surprise me. Because I've had it happen before, not from Samsung, but I've never held on to a Samsung device that long, or at least modern Samsung devices that long. What surprised me is that people collect phones.